Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a book review on The Magic of 2 Seconds by Maxime DeCesar. Now I'm going to follow a book review framework that I've designed for myself. It's called the AIMS framework. The A stands for about. What is this book about? I, intent. What's the intent of this book? M, mind-changing concept. And what are the examples that you can find in this book that are mind-changing? S, suitability. Who is this book suitable for, and do I recommend this book? About. Now this book is basically about improving your decision-making skill in your life and by applying a 2-second techniques in making your decision. It covers the mindset on how to make better decisions and better actions by improving your relationship and your business. Now the intent is to create a force field for yourself in terms of increase in your self-awareness in your daily life, and at the same time taking 2 seconds to think before you act or to answer and asking yourself constructive questions. And some of the examples given in this book, you can actually know what are the constructive questions that you should ask yourself first before answering or making big decisions. And another part is that how do you exercise empathy to another person when faced with difficult situations. Now this part is basically quite important, especially if you're dealing with relationships. Now the mind-changing concept that I like about this book is that it talks about what are the 10 examples of instant gratifications. For example, social media. The first thing that you do, you wake up is to check your social media, press the zoom button, and you start eating junk food. All these are examples of instant gratification in our life, and we need to be aware of them. And the wait and do nothing techniques is actually very good technique to help you to postpone your decisions and not making it instantly, especially if the decision would involve certain repercussions. Now the ask a question techniques is there to help you to understand more about yourself and how to reply in a more constructive manner instead of reacting to a questions or to a criticism. And this book also mentioned about the concept of risk-loving and risk-averse mindset. Now these two, there's a great difference. Read more inside this book. And why some risk is based on your assumption or your past experiences that are not constructive or already outdated. So why not take your time to ask yourself questions before making or taking that risk. And this will also talk about what are some of the rewards that are undeserving and why you are lying it to yourself. Say for example, you are choosing the most easiest task to execute and you give yourself a reward after you complete a task, which you know that your most important tasks actually have the highest impact to your life and it's not executed at all, while you're wasting time rewarding yourself. Now there are 3 areas of laziness: the trivials, the intermediate, and the major projects. Now these 3 levels actually was broken down into further details, like how we become lazy by doing trivial stuff, and what are the immediate stuff that you should be doing, and what are the major projects that you need to put your attention and energy into but you left it out. Now suitability, I would recommend this book to anyone who want to grow himself or herself into a better version. And if you're looking into helping yourself to make better decisions in your life every day, you can apply these 2-second techniques. And you have someone that's struggling with procrastination issue or getting things done and meeting deadlines, this book is for you. And remember that in our lifetime, we're making up to 70% wrong decision. That means out of 10 decisions, 7 would be wrong. And it's time for us to learn how to make great decisions. And I also recommend that if you want to consume this book, take 1 hour out each day and read 2 chapters, and in less than a week you should finish this book. Do apply this concept of 2 seconds and not just read it, to apply it in your daily life and ask questions to yourself. And if you forget what question, write it down. Ask until you're very clear about what you need to answer, and this will become your new normal. This book is available in Amazon. You can get it from the link below, and I hope that this video is useful to you. Do share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.